Manakaka singoni nya kora mga juang mabro somo ote u machoka ma ubro bedo ka uoro noe namba mar ote machoka mar aria deka uchiela nono kabene wantira chel ka chel ko kalamboi mar Facebook ka chel kod YouTube. Nyinga en James Opondo. Jotuo mamanyo thieth e bwo kumba mar SHA biro ndhenyo lwetgi masinde mayango kaka yor kedo kod mibadhi e kumba mar thieth mar SHA. Migawo mar thieth yango chenro ni manyien ma nyasani mar puodho jogo mandikore e kumba mar SHA koloso e kar thieth ma Kenyatta okinyi makawuono. Jatend migawo mar thieth Eden Duale oyango ni chenro no mabiro tiyo gi lony ma choko nonro mag del geto neno ni mibadhi ma ogo tach e migawo no ka achiel kod okumba mar SHA orumo.
There are many issues that beguile us, things that we need to do, and he understands them. The Cancer Center is one of the most important parts that I've been discussing with the CS, and I'm sure that you remember to help us to achieve the goal that we have this as a truly referral hospital where we shall keep Kenyans and regional patients from going away to European and Asian countries for treatment. Our goal is to have this as the end place where patients will be treated and they go home cured.
This biometric will help us in eliminating fraud and misuse of the benefits. It will also reduce paperwork. It shortens queues of our patients, and it ensures more time is spent on patient care. And this morning I have gone through that process, and I want to confirm to the country that that is what is happening. The time our patients spend is less, and we are spending now more on the care of our patients.